Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the note missing problem in Instagram. So first of all, let's head over to our Instagram app. I am currently here on my Instagram app, and this are notes. So what notes are is where you can share your thoughts, and you can also see other people's thoughts, which you can find when heading to the messaging part of Instagram. And the first thing that you can do is actually head over to help and then report a problem, which you can actually do by just shaking your phone, but you can also go by just heading to the report problem page itself and just following what I just did and just write to Instagram that, hey, my notes aren't working, my notes aren't showing, it's missing from my app. And that's one method. And the other one is you should just reinstall the app. Basically head over to Google Play or your app settings and just uninstall the app, the Instagram app, and just install it again. Maybe update it. That could also do the job. Maybe your Instagram is outdated, that's why you don't have the note apps. So I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye, peace.